Hey guys, SHEA, and I'm back with another video. So I've been getting a lot of DMs on Instagram asking what I put in my hair. So why not give you guys a video exactly what I do for my hair, step-by-step routine, shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner, oil, all that. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you guys like and also hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any more of my uploads that are coming up. So let's get to the video. Alright, so first we're going to just start off by wetting the entire hair, making sure everything is nice and saturated for the shampooing process. For my shampoo, I'll be using the SHEA Moisture African Water Mint and Ginger Detox and Refresh. And I'm just going to be applying this mainly on my scalp and not my entire hair. When I'm shampooing, I want to make sure I get a nice scrub to make sure all the buildup on my scalp is nice and gone. And for shampooing, I usually do 2 shampoos just to make sure everything is nice and clean on my scalp and I have no product buildup from what I used that week. Next, we're going to be going into the conditioner. I like to use the Hawaii Silky 14-in-1 Miracle. Guys, this is a miracle worker. I'm telling you right now. Oop! And I almost dropped it. Okay, so going back, there we go. I'm just going to be applying this conditioner all over my hair. I do 2 pumps of this conditioner. Honestly, shout out to my sister for introducing me to this conditioner because it is the best, has the best slip. And this is my hair with the conditioner in it. Now I'm sectioning my hair into 4 sections to detangle. For my detangling process, guys, you want to take your time and just make sure you're doing really wide sections, detangling it very gently. For me, I like to use my fingers just because I notice a lot less breakage and a lot less shedding when I'm using my fingers instead of a comb. I just want to make sure everything is nicely detangled, and I take my time because your hair is very fragile when it's wet. And this is my hair once I'm done detangling it with the conditioner in it. So next, I'm going to be using the As I Am Hydration Elation Deep Conditioner Mask. This mask is amazing. It has no protein and no wheat, which my hair loves. Because I have low porosity hair, it does not like protein and wheat at all. So this one's mainly just moisture. When I'm done applying the mask, I'm just going to be putting my hair in a nice little bun, and I'm going to be using a plastic bag just to wrap it up so I can activate the heat from my scalp to make sure everything is nice and penetrated and it gets really absorbed with the mask. I'll be leaving this mask on for just 30 minutes. Once I'm done, this is my hair when it is completed the mask treatment, and I'm going to be washing it with a warm, cool temperature water. Don't do super hot, guys, or your hair will get really frizzy. So next, I'm going to be using the As I Am Moisture Milk. This is the best product for my hair. My hair loves milk. I'm just going to apply this all over my hair. Once I'm done that, I'm going to do 2 pumps of foam on one side of my hair, 2 pumps of foam on the other side of my hair, and I like to scrunch it, and then finally I'm going to do 2 more pumps on the middle side of my hair. This is what creates the volume for me, guys. This foam is amazing. I'll link it in the description down below. And this is my hair when it's out of the shower with my product in it. As you guys can see, it's nice and moisturized and the curls are intact. For my final step, I'm going to be using some oil, and I'm just going to be scrunching my hair and making sure I get all the oil throughout my entire head, making sure it coats everything so the moisture can retain for the entire week. And I'm just scrunching it while I apply it. And then I'm just gonna shake it. And this is my hair with everything in it. I'm gonna wait about the whole day or so for it to air dry. And boom, this is my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is nice and big. it is still really voluminous and it is extremely moisturized. The curls are intact. And if you guys want more volume, you guys can just use a pick, an afro pick. But for me, I find this is fine for now because my hair does get bigger throughout the week. Alright guys, and that is my hair care routine from start to finish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it seems like a lot, but like once you get like a rhythm of exactly what your hair likes and what it doesn't like, then I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be so much easier to perfect your hair care routine. It took me about like 3 years to really understand my hair, and one thing that really helped me was to understand whether or not my hair was high porosity, medium porosity, or low porosity. So if you guys are wondering, my hair is low porosity, so that means I don't have to put that much product in my hair because it takes a while for it to absorb. So once you figure out your hair porosity, I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be a lot easier. I'm gonna try to do a separate video to educate you guys a bit more about porosity and how to really maintain and understand what products your hair really needs. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn your notification bells on because I will be uploading a lot more videos, a lot more hair care routine videos. A lot of people have been requesting more hair tutorial videos, so I will be uploading a lot more styles and showing you guys exactly what I do for my hair. So thanks for watching guys, and talk to you soon. Bye.